Bidets are a bathroom staple in other parts of the world, but aren't as common here in the US. We found bidets that fit on the toilet you already have, letting you make the ultra-clean experience part of your everyday routine. The team at Biobidet believes that nothing comes close to the feeling that water provides, and that it's a more thorough and hygienic approach to getting clean. Biobidet has made bidets more accessible for anyone and any toilet. Their seats and bidet attachments are all easy to install. You just need a few tools. Unlike standalone bidets, like you might see in a hotel or foreign countries, you don't need to get up and move. You stay on the toilet to use Biobidet. It can be a helpful tool for folks with mobility issues who might have trouble reaching, and it's a gentler way to clean if you have sensitive skin. This eco-friendlier alternative to toilet paper is one we think just about anybody will see the appeal of once they give it a try.